Hey everybody, welcome back. If you've joined us on this first leg of our trip from Florida to California and you think you've seen everything, well guess what? You haven't seen anything yet. The second leg of this trip is going to be intense with lots of miles behind us and lots of scenery and things to see. Let's get on this adventure and have a great time doing it.
Good morning.
Good morning, Clean Connection followers. We are on day number 3 of our across the country trip. We stayed in Tucson, Arizona, and now we are heading towards San Diego, where we'll be getting to Newport Beach sometime this afternoon.
That's right. We should be there. We have about 6.5 hours left, so we're on the last little leg, and we're actually heading towards Phoenix right now, but we'll end up in San Diego and then head up the coast a little bit towards Newport Beach, where we got a B&B, and that's where we are going to be staying. It's beautiful out here. You should see this landscape. It is absolutely gorgeous.
And just so you all know, I know that when we normally shoot these videos, Shayna's the one driving in the beginning. It's not always the case.
Not the case. Not the case. Sean's been doing most of the driving. I've been doing the morning shift a little bit, and then I usually get in the back. Sean was so sweet. He made me a little bed in the back seat so that I could take a nap in the afternoon. So we just do the morning shoot, and I'm the one driving, and then in the afternoon, Sean drives the whole time, and I sleep.
So also wanted to say that even though by the time this video comes out, it'll be well past it, but Shayna's son, Brett, is having a birthday today. So a big happy birthday to Brett.
Happy birthday, Brett. He turned 17 today.
Yep. So big shout out to today's video is dedicated to Brett and Brett's birthday. And we're also going to be doing a little bit of fun today. We're going to be showing you more landscape like we've been doing, but having a little bit more interaction with you guys as far as, things to see. And we'd like you to comment below and tell us areas in Arizona, San Diego, Southern California that we might be able to see and check out on our way out here. And then we'll also be doing a video series on the trip return. It's always good to do it on there, but on the way back, God knows.
I know, but I definitely have a stop that I want to make.
Yep.
Sure.
And we're not talking about a rest stop and a pit stop.
No, not a potty stop.
Not a potty stop.
A good stop.
You never realize how much you need to pee on a trip until you actually stop. Like, oh, wow, the bladder was kind of full. Shayna learned that yesterday.
And driving makes you hungry.
Yeah, it does. You just eat a lot of garbage.
Yeah.
But, okay, Clean Connection, let's get on to San Diego, Southern California,
Yay.
And we'll be seeing lots of stuff along the way.
We're picking up right where we left off, deep in the heart of America. Across some beautiful open prairies, we're also going to see some mountains and wildlife and get some great stories along the way. America really is a vast country with all sorts of cool things to see, and if you stay in one place too long, you're missing the entire world around you.
Another pit stop for gas.
It's a balmy 81 degrees, and every one of these videos, I'm pumping gas. So you can imagine on this trip, you got to save a lot of money. But here's something interesting. Shayna and I have been talking about all the beautiful places in Arizona that we'd like to see, like Sedona, the Grand Canyon, Scottsdale. And if you'd like to see us do a video there, leave a comment below and we'll put something together. Maybe we'll, take an extra day to travel home or something like that to get the video on the way back. So let us know. What do you think?
If you like what you saw, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss another Clean Connection episode. Check us out on Facebook. We're also on Instagram and Rumble and TikTok. And you can also find us on the web at www.cleanconnection.com. Go there and enjoy our email blasts as well as our blogs and learn about all the latest trip adventures and hacks across the world.
I'm going to tell you what, Arizona is probably one of the most beautiful states ever. If we can get through it alive. There's a lot of people that like to break and drive crazy here, but it's really one of the most beautiful states, I think. Shayna liked New Mexico, didn't you?
I did like New Mexico.
What did you like about that?
It had flatness, but there were those big plateaus that you kind of saw like off in the distance. And they give the landscape that beautifulness. Like as you're driving, you can see like those plateaus out in the distance, and they just look so pretty, especially when the sun's setting on them.
Yeah, I really liked Arizona. The rock formations as we came into the state, and you can definitely, the cool thing is you could tell the landscape difference from Texas to New Mexico to Arizona, and even as we get further along in Arizona, the landscape starts to change too.
Yeah, there's not a lot of green though. It's still lots of brown. There's like, you know, sand and desert like colors, you know, browns and tan.
And driving through here, you see them make up. There's a lot of new housing developments. I mean, there's one right there.
Yeah, there's a lot of building up.
A lot of people moving in and around.
Construction too on the highways.
Yeah. Now, as far as West Texas, I think Shayna and I are in agreement. You will never see the Cling Connection relocate to El Paso or anywhere.
Not a whole lot going on there.
I mean, don't get me wrong; it's got its beauty, but definitely not a place that...
I mean, you don't want to stay in Iran, Texas?
No, I liked Iran. Iran was very nice. The people in Iran were very nice. Matter of fact, they're going to probably subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
So, but West Texas was not really my playground.
Yeah, I get you.
Yeah. So we shouldn't be too far. We're about 5 hours or so from California, Newport Beach. So we're going to still keep riding around, but yeah, some beautiful landscape going on here.
Truth.
Three days later.
We arrived in Newport Beach yesterday afternoon, and we were kind of tired, so we didn't get a chance to do our little closeout. So I'm walking around here, checking out the neighborhood, getting some steps in. And when you ride in a car for 3-4 days, you want to get your steps in. But I'll tell you what, it's a really beautiful, beautiful town. Looking forward to getting you guys some more videos. We have a lot in store, and the team is going to be sprucing up the channel. So we really, really want you guys to subscribe. We've been having some issues with some views and some subscriptions lately, and we don't know what's going on because we've been putting out the quality content and everything that YouTube is instructing us to do. But I'm assuming now that we have to switch things up. So we're going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, and also maybe see if you can start following us on some other platforms. We're on Facebook, Instagram, we're on Rumble, we're on Twitter. We have our own website, clingconnection.com, that you can go and subscribe to for our newsletter and our blogs for discount travel information and everything else. So looking forward to the next month that we're going to be here in California, and all the cool little historical sites and adventures and meals and everything else, and just really sprucing up the channel. So until next time, have fun storming the castle.